Do you enjoy sharing awesome experiences with your friends? What if I told you that it was possible to do so all the time? Introducing Comigo, the best platform offering a social interactive TV experience. Bring your social network of friends to the TV.
Comigo is a company who has a mission to change the TV experience. We want to combine the TV watching experience with the internet browsing, socializing, e-commerce, personalized advertisement, everything that relates to the new world with the old world of the TV, broadcasting, whatever it is. Totally new experience with many benefits to the viewers and to the operators. In our system, we have a system that basically set-top boxes or software for set-top boxes, software for tablets, for phones, whether they're Android or iOS, and a server that actually combines all of them, makes the relations between the different viewers, and allows basically correspondence between the watchers. So there is a lot of socializing activity that can be done, not just throwing tomato one on the other, but I'll give you an example. If you buy something, use e-commerce, which will be very related to what you see, we will tell you that if you want to buy these shoes, if you offer it to your friends and two other friends are buying, all of you will get a lower price. You can buy, for example, a VOD movie to your girlfriend, and then you get a half a price. So you actually bought something for half price, she got a present, and the operator makes more money out of this. Everything is socializing, combining better service for the user and more revenues for the operator. Generally, when you come to develop such a system, which has many, many options, a lot of functions and activities, it can easily become a very complicated system. And then users look for very simple stuff. Now, if you look at iPad, which has lots of applications, it's very, very simple. Everybody knows how to operate iPad. You compare it to a Windows PC, that's a clumsy, complicated, cumbersome, very frustrating system. So the issue is how to make such a very complicated system and still keep it very, very simple. I say that this complexity, solving the complexity, is a matter of art. And I'm very proud that we succeeded to bring it to the level which the users that we have like very much the system. System can be installed with no installer, without anybody that will come and explain to how to operate it. And we see great feedback from our customers. So generally, we license the software. We look for rev share with our partners, with our customers, on the value-added services that we are providing to them. So, for example, if we have betting in the system, we are enabling betting, we have software to do that. If they team with a company that does betting and gets some portion of this amount of money, we will see out of their money, their portion will see a portion as well. So it's good for them, it's good for us, it's good for the users. On top of it, we do have the only Android box, which is reliable Android box in the market. We worked very hard to actually take Android boxes and get them to the right level they should be in. And in many cases, if it's a relatively small operator, he will buy from us the hardware as well. If it's a very large operator, then they will tend to buy from us the software only, the hardware for others. But still, all this license, it will be covered by the license and the rev share. I believe that we are just at the beginning of a totally new TV. The TV that came to us until now was mainly driven by cables and satellites. One directional, very limited. No real usage of the internet, of the socializing, not personalized. It's, you get what the rest are getting. Recommendation level in a very, very weak, not taking into consideration what your friends like, just you and yourself. The new TV experience is going to be very, very different. Many sources, a lot of video that will come from your friends, from your private channels that will be generated for you, from sources that are not that actually does not exist today. All of it with a lot of socializing. Do things with your friends. Use the TV and the camera for many other purposes, like the home security, wellness, being in a position to be hospitalized at home rather than spending time at hospitals, which is very, very dangerous place. So it's totally a new kind of TV experience. We are just at the beginning of this stage of moving to the new TV.